Welcome to a world where words have the power to shape a new reality. It's a world where language becomes more than just a means of communication. It becomes a mystical force that can transform your life. This is the realm of conscious language, where your words are like spells, casting a spell on your reality. Conscious language is the art of using words intentionally to create positive transformations in your life. It goes beyond unconscious or habitual language and instead harnesses the power of words to manifest your desires. By understanding the energetic constructs of words and aligning them with your intentions, you can create a new reality. In this video, we will explore the principles behind conscious language and provide practical techniques for incorporating it into your everyday life. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Using conscious language requires ethical considerations. We will look into the importance of using your words for the highest good of yourself and others, ensuring that your language aligns with positive intentions. Language is more than just a means of communication. It holds a mystical quality that goes beyond its literal meaning. Each word carries a unique energetic construct that can impact our reality on a subconscious level. When we speak or write, we are essentially casting spells, using the power of language to create and manifest our desires. Have you ever noticed how certain words evoke strong emotions or create a specific atmosphere? For example, the word love can instantly fill us with warmth and joy, while the word fear can send shivers down our spines. This is because words can tap into the depths of our subconscious mind and stir our emotions, shaping our perception of reality. Consider the way you speak to yourself and others. Are your words uplifting and empowering, or do they carry a negative undertone? Remember, every word you utter has an impact, not only on those who hear it, but also on yourself. By using the mystical nature of language to cultivate positivity and compassion, you can transform your reality and create a harmonious environment. Conscious language is a transformative practice that empowers you to create positive change in your life through the intentional use of words. It is a mindful approach to communication that goes beyond unconscious or habitual language patterns. When you engage in conscious language, you become aware of the immense power your words hold. You recognize that every word you speak or think has the potential to shape your reality. Unlike unconscious or habitual language, conscious language is infused with intention. It is deliberate and purposeful, allowing you to align your thoughts and words with your deepest desires. Through the use of specific language techniques, you can reframe your beliefs, transform negative self-talk, and create a more empowering and uplifting internal dialogue. One of the key principles of conscious language is the understanding that words create vibrations. Each word carries its own energetic frequency, and when you intentionally choose words that resonate with your desired outcomes, you can attract those experiences into your life. Dr. Masaru Emoto's groundbreaking work in water crystallization stands as a testament to the profound interconnectedness between the physical and metaphysical realms. His experiments not only unraveled the secrets of water crystallization, but also hinted at a deeper connection between consciousness and the material world. Dr. Masaru Emoto's pioneering experiments focused on subjecting water to various conditions, such as exposure to different words, types of music, and even human thoughts. Through meticulous observations, he unveiled a remarkable phenomenon. Water molecules, when influenced by external stimuli, exhibited unique and distinct crystalline structures. This revelation suggested that water possesses an inherent ability to respond to the vibrational qualities of its surroundings. Dr. Emoto's work transcended the boundaries of conventional science, sparking contemplation about the intricate relationship between human consciousness and the physical properties of water. Looking deeper into Dr. Emoto's experiments, the sensitivity of water to stimuli becomes evident. Positive words, soothing music, and loving thoughts manifested in water crystals that exuded symmetry and intricacy. Conversely, exposure to negative stimuli resulted in less defined and chaotic structures. These findings paint a vivid picture of water as a dynamic medium, capable of mirroring the energetic qualities of the environment. Sometimes, words hold a power beyond their mere definition. They possess the ability to shape our reality and bring forth the manifestations we desire. This is the art of spellcasting, an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to intentionally create change. In spellcasting, every word is like a brushstroke on the canvas of our existence, allowing us to craft a new reality with profound intention. Just as a painter carefully selects colors and applies them with purpose, we too can choose our words consciously and deliberately. Spellcasting is not about waving wands or reciting incantations. It's about recognizing the potency of language and harnessing its energy to manifest our desires. By understanding the underlying principles of spellcasting, we gain the power to shape our lives in profound ways. Throughout history, spellcasting has been practiced by various cultures, each with its unique rituals and traditions. From ancient Egyptians to modern-day witches, the techniques of spellcasting have evolved and adapted to the times. What remains constant is the fundamental belief in the transformative power of words. At the core of spellcasting resides the potency of intention. Each spoken word bears an energetic imprint that reverberates through the essence of our reality. When we infuse our words with clear intentions, we set in motion the wheels of manifestation. Spellcasting is a deeply personal practice that requires us to tap into our desires and align our words with our intentions. By consciously choosing our words and directing our energy towards what we wish to create, we become active participants in the co-creation of our reality. Spellcasting is not about wishing for something and waiting for it to magically appear. It's an active and intentional process that involves several key steps. Step 1. Clarify your intention. Clearly define what you want to manifest in your life. Be specific and focus on the outcome you desire. Step 2. Select your words. Choose words that align with your intention. Use positive and empowering language that evokes the emotions and energies you wish to attract. Step 3. Speak with conviction. Utter your chosen words with confidence and belief. The strength of your conviction infuses your words with power. Step 4. Take inspired action. Combine your spellcasting with action that supports your intention. This creates a synergy between your words and your efforts, reinforcing the manifestation process. Step 5. Release attachment. Trust that the universe will bring forth your desired outcome in the right time and manner. Let go of any attachment to the outcome and surrender to the flow of life. Through the art of spellcasting, you hold the power to shape your reality. By consciously choosing your words, infusing them with intention, and taking inspired action, you become the master of your destiny. The art of spellcasting is not about control or manipulation, but rather about aligning yourself with the natural flow of the universe. Embrace this sacred practice with reverence and respect, and watch as your words weave their magic into your life. Conscious language, despite its modern connotation, is deeply rooted in ancient practices that have stood the test of time. By understanding the historical context of conscious language practices, we can unlock their transformative power in our contemporary lives. In ancient civilizations, words were regarded as sacred tools with the ability to shape reality. The ancient Egyptians, for example, believed that the spoken word had the power to manifest intentions into existence. Similarly, the ancient Greeks recognized the significance of language in influencing thoughts, emotions, and actions. These ancient practices recognize the profound impact language has on our lives. They understood that the words we speak carry a vibrational frequency that can shape our reality. Today, we can apply these ancient principles of conscious language to manifest our desires and create a new reality. Modern applications of conscious language can be found in various practices and disciplines. For instance, neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, is a contemporary method that utilizes language patterns to reprogram the mind and overcome limiting beliefs. By consciously choosing empowering words and reframing negative self-talk, we can cultivate a positive mindset that aligns with our desires. Meditation and mindfulness are also modern applications of conscious language. By observing our thoughts and becoming aware of the words we use internally and externally, we can cultivate a more conscious and intentional way of speaking. This leads to a greater sense of self-awareness and the ability to create positive change in our lives. Ancient practices and modern applications of conscious language converge in their recognition of the transformative power of words. By understanding the historical context and embracing the practical techniques of conscious language, we can harness this power to shape our reality and manifest our deepest desires. Using conscious language is a transformative practice that empowers you to shape your reality. However, with this power comes a great responsibility. It is important to consider the ethical implications of your language choices and ensure that your words are used for the highest good of yourself and others. When engaging in conscious language use, it is essential to be aware of the impact your words may have on those around you. Words hold immense power, and they can either uplift or harm others. Therefore, it is crucial to choose your words mindfully, considering their potential effects and striving to create a positive and supportive environment through your language. One of the key ethical considerations in conscious language use is respecting boundaries and obtaining consent. While you may have good intentions, it is important to recognize that each individual has their own personal journey and experiences. Not everyone may be open to receiving your conscious language or accepting the realities you desire to create. Always ask for consent before using conscious language with others, and respect their decision if they do not wish to engage in this practice. Remember that everyone has their own pace and level of comfort when it comes to exploring these concepts. By honoring their boundaries, you demonstrate respect and cultivate a space of trust and understanding. In the realm of conscious language, it is essential to hold yourself accountable for your words and their impact. This practice requires self-reflection and continuous growth. Take a moment to examine your intentions behind the words you choose and consider whether they align with your values and the well-being of others. If you find that your words have unintentionally caused harm or conflict, take responsibility for your actions and seek to make amends. Remember that conscious language is a journey of learning and evolving, and mistakes are opportunities for growth. Apologize sincerely, learn from the experience, and commit to using your words more consciously in the future. As you explore conscious language, remember that its purpose extends beyond personal desires and manifestation. Conscious language can be a powerful tool for empowerment and uplifting others. Use your words to inspire, motivate, and support those around you. Consider how your words can contribute to positive change in the world. Use your language to advocate for justice, equality, and compassion. By using conscious language responsibly and ethically, you can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond yourself, contributing to a more harmonious and inclusive reality for all. Positive affirmations are a transformative tool that can help you harness the power of conscious language and create a new reality. Through the science behind affirmations, you can reprogram your subconscious mind and pave the way for positive change. When you repeat positive affirmations, You are essentially rewiring your thought patterns and belief systems. It's like planting seeds of positivity in your mind, allowing them to take root and blossom into a new way of being. Research has shown that affirmations have the potential to reprogram neural pathways in the brain, leading to shifts in behavior, emotions, and overall well-being. By consistently affirming positive statements about yourself and your life, you can replace self-limiting beliefs and cultivate a mindset of abundance and possibility. It's important to choose affirmations that resonate with you on a personal level. Consider areas of your life where you may have negative self-talk or limiting beliefs, and craft affirmations that directly address those areas. For example, if you struggle with self-confidence, you might affirm, "I am worthy and deserving of success and happiness." Repetition is key when it comes to affirmations. Set aside dedicated time each day to repeat your affirmations, either silently or out loud. You can also write them down and place them somewhere visible, such as on a mirror or in a journal. The more you engage with your affirmations, the more they will become ingrained in your subconscious mind. The mystical nature of language goes beyond mere communication. It holds the key to unlocking our deepest desires and aspirations. Through the intentional use of words, we can create positive transformations in our lives and manifest our dreams. It is through conscious language that we can transcend the limitations of our current reality and invite new possibilities to unfold. Conscious language empowers us to create the life we envision, where our words become spells that shape our new reality.